Hello students, let's solve few problems of compound interest today. These are the formulas relating to compound interest. Please note all the formulas. Let's see the first problem. Compute the compound interest and amount payable on the loan of rupees 12,000 at 14% interest rate per annum for 3 years. Okay. So 12,000 is your principal, 14% is your rate of interest, 3 years is your period, right? You have to find out compound interest and amount payable. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R raised to N. So A is equal to 12,000 into 1 plus 0.14 raised to 3. Okay. So A is equal to 12,000 into 1.14 raised to 3. So let's compute 1.14 into square cube. So this comes to 1.481544. Okay, if you want, you can round off up to 4 decimals, which is 1.4815. Okay, or you can take all the decimals and multiply this with 12,000 multiplied by 12,000. So it comes to 17,778.53 or 528. So 17,778 17,778.528. Okay. Let's solve the next problem. Okay, students who don't know how to use the calculator, when you are supposed to find out cube, no? Suppose I want to find 2 cube. Okay, so instead of typing all the numbers, for example 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to, instead of doing this, what you can do is, okay, clear the screen first, then 2 into, and you press is equal to once, this is 2 square. Okay, press is equal to again, this is 2 cube. Press is equal to again, now it is 2 raised to 4. Press is equal to again, it is 2 raised to 5. Okay. So you don't need to type 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, you don't need to type that way. Okay, just keep on pressing is equal to. If you want to find 2 raised to 6, so you will type 2 into and is equal to 5 times. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Okay, just a second. Yeah, okay. Just let's read the next question. An engineering student took an educational loan of rupees 2 lakh from a bank and repaid it after 6 years at a compound interest at 6% per annum. Calculate the amount he has to repay. Okay, so you have to calculate the amount. Okay, and principal is given, this is your principal, 6 years, this is your period, and rate of interest is 6%, so this is your R. Correct. So P is equal to 2 lakhs, N is equal to 6 years, and R is equal to 6% or 0.06. Okay, So A is equal to P into 1 plus R raised to N. So 2 lakh multiplied by 1 plus 0.06 raised to 6. So 2 lakh into 1.06 raised to 6. Let's calculate this. 1.06 into, and I will press is equal to 5 times because it is 1.06 raised to 6. So is equal to, I have to press 5 times. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I started with 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 5 times. Okay. So now the fraction I got is 1.418519. Okay, so you can keep 1.4185 or you can take the whole thing. It's up to you. There would be some difference. Okay, that is okay. That is not a problem. Multiplied by 2 lakh. So now this comes to 2,83,703.82. So my answer is 2,83,703.82. 2,83,703.82. Okay, so this is the answer. Or what you can do is, this answer is also right. Okay, and what you can do is 2 lakh multiplied by 1.06 raised to 6. Correct. So let's take only 4 decimal. Let's see the answer. Okay, so 1.06 raised to 6. So into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now see the number 1.4185, right? So I'll take only the 4 digits after the decimal point. After the decimal point, I'm taking 4 digit, which is 1.4185. Always take 4 decimals or take everything. Okay, 1.4185. So 2 lakh multiplied by 1.4, I forgot, 4185. 4185. Okay, so let's calculate this. 4 into 1.4185. 2 lakh into 1.4185. So this comes to 2,83,700. 2,83,700. So both the answers are right. Here I have taken the whole, all the decimals I have taken. Here I took all the decimals, so that's why there's difference of 3 rupees. Okay, and here I have taken only 4 digits. So that's why there is a difference. But both the answers are right. You can solve anyway in the exam. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the next question. A sum invested doubles in 5 years. What is the rate of compound interest? Okay. You are supposed to find R. What is the rate of compound interest? And what is given? The period is given. That is n is equal to 5. The amount is not given. The sum is not given. Okay. But they have given that it doubles. So let P be 100. Then A is equal to 200. Correct. Now, what is the formula of R? R is equal to AntiLog Okay. R is equal to antilog of log A minus log P upon N minus 1. This is the formula, right? I would like to check the formula once. R is equal to antilog of log A minus log P upon N minus 1. Yes. Okay. I have written the formula correctly. Now let's calculate. First you have to solve the bracket. So R is equal to antilog log A. So log, what is A? A is 200 minus log P, which is log 100 upon N. N is 5 minus 1. Now we will solve the bracket. Okay, you have to find log 200 and log 100. Okay, so let's find how much is log 200. Okay, so I have to find log 200. So instead of writing log 200, 200 means 200.00, correct? Okay, I have explained how to find log in one of my videos. I will share the link in the description. Okay, so log 200.00, right? So before the decimal there are 3 digits. So that means log 200 would be, so there are 3 digits. So you have to subtract 1. So 3 minus 1, 3 digit minus 1. So 2 point something, right? So now you have to ignore the decimal. So the numbers are 20000, right? So we will see 20th row, 0th column, and mean difference of 0 is 0 only. So 20th row, 0 column in your log table. So this is my log table. So 20th row, 0 column, that is 3010, right? So 3010. So 3010, right? There is no mean difference. Mean difference is 0 only. So 2.3010 is log of 200. Okay, log of 200 is 2.3010. Okay, now let's find log of 100. So again, log of 100 means there are 3 digits before the decimal point. So 3 minus 1, I'll get 2 point something, correct? So 10th column, 0th row. Let's see 10th column, 0th row. So when you see the 10th column, 0 row, it is 0000, right? And mean difference of 0 is 0 only. So the numbers are 0000. So log of 100 is 2.0000, that means 2, correct? So I have found log of 200, which is 2.3010, and log of 100 is 2. Okay, so R is equal to antilog. Instead of log of 200, I'll write 2.3010 minus 2 divide by n. N is 5. Okay, minus 1. Now r is equal to antilog 2.30 2.3010 minus 2. So I'll get 0.3010, okay, divide by 5 minus 1. Let's find out 0.3010 divided by 5 is how much. So 0.3010 divided by 5 is equal to 0.0602. So r is equal to antilog 0.0602 minus 1. Okay, now you have to find antilog of 0.0602. Okay, let's find antilog of 0.0602. Okay, so antilog of 0.0602. So first you will ignore whatever is there before the decimal. Okay, we will see 0.06. You have to take into consideration the things which are after the decimal, the numbers which are after the decimal, which is 0.0602. So 0.06th row and 0 column and mean difference of 2. Okay, let's find out. 0.06th row, 0 column. Okay, so this is my antilog. So my antilog of 0.06 0.06th row and 0 column is 1148. Correct? So I'll write it down. 1148. If you now 1148 was the number. Okay, when you saw in the table row number 0.06 and column number 0, the number was written as 1148. Now you have to see row number 06 and mean difference 2. Okay, let's see in the table. So row number 06, okay, mean difference of 2 is 1. Yes. So you will add 1 here. So now this comes to 1149. So antilog of this 0.0602 is 1149. Okay, the number before the decimal is 0, correct? Just add 1 to that number, it comes to 1. So after first digit you have to put a point. So after first digit put a point. So 1.149. So r is equal to antilog of 0.0602 is 1.149 and minus 1. So you subtract 1. So r is equal to 0.149. That means r is equal to 14.9%. Okay, you can write r is equal to 0.149 or r is equal to 14.9%. how to compute anti-log and log. Okay, I have made a video in that I have explained in detail. The description, the link is there in the description. Okay, now let's see the next problem. An inverter purchased NSS of a face value of rupees 100 if the interest is 8% compound interest. Calculate the period in which it will double. Okay, the face value is 100, that means P is equal to 100. If the interest is 8%, that means R is equal to 0.08. Compound interest, you have to find compound, calculate the period in which it will get double. Okay, so they have said that 8% is the compound interest, okay, and period in which it will double, that means if P is equal to 100, then A should be 200, right? And calculate the period, that means N you have to find out. So formula for N is N is equal to log A minus log P upon log 1 plus R. This is the formula. So N is equal to log 200 minus log 100 upon log 1 plus R. That means 1 plus 0.08, right? Okay, we have already found out log 200 and log 100 in the previous sum. We will not find it again. Okay, so see, log 200 is 2.3010 and log 100 is 2. Okay, so log 200 is 2.3010 minus 2, right? Now we have to find log of 1.08. Okay, let's find that. Okay, so log of 1.08. Now the number of digits before the decimal is 1, right? So 1 minus 1, you will get 0. So 0 point something. Now you have to take the number and ignore the decimal. So the numbers are 108. Log of 1.08 means 108. So first two digit is the column, no, is the row, and second third digit is the row. So 10th row and 8th column. Let's find out. 10th row, 8th column. 10th row, 8th column. So 10th row, 8th column, the number is 0334. Correct? 10th row, that is the first one, and 8th column, 0334 is the number. Okay. So 0334. So log of 1.08 is 0.0334. So I'll write that. (0.0334). Okay, so numerator 2.3010 minus 2 is 0.3010 divided by 0.0334. Let's calculate this. 0.3010 divided by 0.0334. 0334. This comes to 9.01. Okay, or 9 years. So 9.01 years or 9 years. Okay. $9.01 years or 9 years. Okay. Now let's see the next problem. An equipment is bought for 7 lakhs. An immediate payment of 2 lakhs is to be made, followed by rupees 3 lakhs at the end of the first year and 2 lakh at the end of the second year. Find the present value of the selling price assuming interest at 9% per annum. Okay. Whenever present value or future value is given, okay, or you have to use the compound interest formula of A only. Okay. For example, this formula, wait, A is equal to P into 1 plus R raised to N. You have to use this formula itself to find present value or future value. Okay. Here A is the future value and P is the present value. Okay. So whenever you are asked to calculate present value or future value, you will use this formula itself. Okay. Okay. Now here in the question, an equipment is brought for 7 lakh, an immediate payment of 2 lakh. So 2 lakh you are paying today itself. That means 2 lakh is the present value, is to be made, followed by 3 lakh at the end of first year. That means after 1 year 3 lakh is the future value and 2 lakh at the end of 2 years. So you are paying 3 lakh and 2 lakh at the future. Okay. So 3 lakh you are paying after 1 year and 2 lakh you are paying after 2 years. Find the present value of the selling price assuming interest rate 9% per annum. You have to find the present value. Okay. So you are paying 2 lakh today, 3 lakh after 1 year and 2 lakh after 2 years. Okay. So I'll make 2 columns. Okay. First one is you have paid down payment. Down payment you are making of 2 lakhs. Okay. And present value is 2 lakh only. You are paying it today only, no? So present value of 2 lakh is 2 lakh. Because today only you are paying 2 lakh. Okay. Now you are paying 3 lakh at the end of first year. So second is you have to find present value of 3 lakh. Okay. So present value of 3 lakhs which you are going to pay. So payable at the end of first year. So at the end of first year you are going to pay 3 lakh. That means 3 lakh is the future amount because you are going to pay after 1 year. Correct? And you have to find the present value. We will use same formula, which is A is equal to P into 1 plus R raised to N. Okay. You know the future, that after 1 year you are paying 3 lakh. That means you know A, 3 lakh, the future amount. Okay. You don't know the present value of that amount, and present value is asked. Right. So 1 plus R is 9%. It is there in the question. Right. So 0.09 and N is after 1 year you are paying. So after 1 year, so N is 1. At the end of first year you are paying, no? So after 1 year. So period is 1 year. Okay. So P is equal to 3 lakh divided by 1.09 raised to 1 is same. So 3 lakh divided by 1.09, 3 lakh divided by 1.09. So this comes to 275 299.3577. You can write 36 275 229.36. Okay, so present value will be 275 229.36. So present value of 3 lakh, after 1 year you are paying 3 lakh. Okay, so today the value of that money is 2,75,229.36. Now present value of 2 lakh payable at the end of second year. So you are paying after 2 years. Okay, so again you will use same formula, which is P is equal to A upon 1 plus R raised to N. Okay, same formula I have used. So P is equal to 2 lakh divided by 1.09, okay, raised to N. This is after 2 years, no? So my N is 2 years. Okay, so 2 lakh divided by, okay, 1.09 into is equal to, it comes to 1.1881. 1.1881. So 2 lakh divided by 1.1881, divided by 1.1881 is equal to 1,68,335.99. So I'll write 1,68,336. Okay, so it is 1,68,336. So total this amount, that is 2 lakh plus 2,75,229.36 plus 1,68,336. So when you total it, this is going to be your present value of the equipment, which comes to 6,43,565.36. So this is the present value of equipment. Okay, let's see the next problem. In how many years will rupees 6,500 amounted 11,800? Okay, in how many years this will become 6,500 will become 11,800? That means 6,500 is the principal and 11,800 is the amount. Okay, you have to find number of years. In how many years it will from 6,500 it will become 11,800. Okay, so you have to find out N. Okay, and rate of interest is given as 11%. So this is your R. You have to find N. So formula for N is N is equal to log A minus log P upon log 1 plus R raised to, no, that's it, 1 plus R. Yeah, this is the formula. Okay, so N is equal to log 11,800 minus log 6500, okay, upon log 1.11. So let's find log of 11,800 and log of 6,500 and log of 1.11. Okay, let's find it. Okay, now log of 11,800. There are log of 11,800 means 11,800.00, correct? So there are 5 digits before the decimal, correct? So 5 minus 1, that means 4 point something. Now let's see, the number is 11,800. So let's see 11th row and 8th column. Mean difference is 0 only. 11th row, 8th column. When you see 11th row, 8th column, 11th row, 8th column is 0719, correct? And mean difference is 0 only. So 0719. So log of 11,800 is 4.0719. Let's find log of 6,500. So log of 6,500, because there are 4 digits before the decimal, so it would be 3 point something. So row number 65 and column 0. Row 65, column 0. Row 65, column 0. Row 65, column 0, it is 8129. So 3.8129. So log of 6,500 is 3.8129. Now we have to find log of 1.11. Before the log, the number of digit is only 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 point. Now you will take row number 11 and column number 1. Okay, you will take row number 11. You have to ignore the decimal. The number is 1.11. No, ignore the decimal. Okay, now the numbers are 111. So row number 11 and column number 1. Okay, let's see. Row number 11, column number 1 is 0453. So 0.0453. Okay, so let's substitute. Okay, so n is equal to 4.0719 minus 3.8129 divided by 0.0453. Okay, now let's solve this. Let's calculate. Okay, 4.0719 minus 3.8129, this comes to 0.259 divided by 0.0453. It comes to 5.717. Okay, so 5.72. So which is equal to 5.72 years. Okay, that's it for the day, students. Please do practice. Have a great day. Thank you very much.